I want to talk about Kaizer Chiefs. As Babonile badlalile Toyota Cup, Kaizer Chiefs. I hope the fans are not really celebrating Toyota Cup. Like I really hope I'm a fan. I celebrate Toyota Cup. I hope the fans don't even take it serious so that tipele la cup lela. Like can we not even watch it? I know Izolo, I sat here and I spoke about Kaizer Chiefs. Ever since Fernando de Cruz has taken over Kaizer Chiefs, I've had nothing but praises for Fernando de Cruz. The reason I'm saying this is because I've seen signs of positivity. I like the fact you go to believer in Mfundo Vilakazi. That's all Mfundo Vilakazi needed, and that's all he was missing in his career. A coach that can believe in him and allow him to play the way that he wants to play and allow him to play the game that he wants to play. However, Toyota Cup, I was like, I actually understand why Lomchita Lona ati Kaizer Chiefs is not ready. They might not be ready in the next 5 years, and I'll explain why Angisho Lentole Engisho. Kaizer Chiefs have a big issue ngama injury. Bane issue a serious ngama injury. Ama player njalo mawasayinwa ku Kaizer Chiefs. Umuntu akayiqedi in a 6 game piti seka injured. How many games did Chinga play for Kaizer Chiefs njoba seka injured? How many times did Dudley feature for Kaizer Chiefs njoba seka injured? Upaseka Marco, has he ever played 6 games consecutively for Chiefs? Angabanga injured. Has Thabiso Munyani played 6 games consecutively for Chiefs and not be injured? Has Khanyisa Mayo played 6 games for Chiefs and be injured? I don't know what's happening lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs, but it's a serious concern bafethu. Lama player lawa mawaya ku Chiefs ayalimala. I wonder balinyazwa yini. Are they playing each other rough ejimini? Is it a matter yokuthi abantu abakho match fit? Other doctors baku Kaizer Chiefs not doing a good job. I'm a conditioning coach. Are they not doing a good job? Because Lentole Eyama injury is definitely going to kill Kaizer Chiefs. Izo affect her. Bayoqala season bayadlala Saturday. They might not have Bradley Cross. They might not have Paseka Makubano zoba left back abo Frosla. That's if na akakalimali. I wouldn't be shocked in a Mangapumi statement, but Sekalimele. Utabo Mloisan, I haven't seen him playing. Has he played Gule preseason? Utabo Mloisan? Is he injured? Angeng mangale mangaphumi statements ukuthi Mloisan now injured asaqeda ukufika. Ukhanyisa Mayo ulinyazwe yini? Ukhanyisa Mayo akalimalanga egroundini bafethu. If ulimala egroundini ngicela ungene ku comment section usho ukuthi ulimale ngayiphi game kanjani nokuthi bekayenzakalani. Ulimele egroundini? When's the operation kusho ukuthi ulimale somewhere. You see again, and then people feel as though they are attacker. Kaizer Chiefs needs to part ways no mfana lo Paseka Mako. Paseka Mako needs to leave Kaizer Chiefs. The reason I'm saying Paseka Mako mela hambe ku Kaizer Chiefs, Buffett, you can't have patience no muntu hleza limele. Isn't that one of the reasons why Orlando Pirates parted ways no Olisanda? Paseka Mako, Chiefs needs him healthy. They need him at his highest. Oyabuya boom injured. Abuye boom injured. Maybe nabanga mopa some time off at Dile nama injured work, and then Kaizer Chiefs either needs to go promote someone young from the DDC to be left back or Abahambe Bayo Hunter. Kaizer Chiefs, stop signing players ending our dingy. Na lo to kufika ban Adolf angeng mangale mangaphumi statement but you injured. I don't know what's happening with Kaizer Chiefs. It's serious, Lentolen, and Kaizer Chiefs management needs to look into this issue. They need to look into this matter. Maybe someone who conditioning needs to answer. Maybe someone or dietitian, abantu abenza show like lama doctor lama physio, laba bana wanakekela physical lama player. Labo bantu labo, they need to explain what's happening. What causes these players to be constantly injured? Inyawas lingani, umuntu akadla ukudla ku right. I don't know what's happening. Amanye team don't go through what Kaizer Chiefs is going through ngama injury. Abanye ama players nje sekuthiwa umuntu injured lapho udlale the whole season angadlali. Another guy, the guy who's supposed to be their playmaker, umuntu okuhuye kumele ukuthi wenze izinto zenzeke for Kaizer Chiefs, umdusha balala ubuya ku injury kwayena. We don't even know what he's ready to play on Saturday. And it's really going to be disappointing to see Kaizer Chiefs go through the same cycle even this season. Basayina ma player, besa ma player limala. Basayina ma player limala. Or when the players get to Kaizer Chiefs, those players about performing actually, they don't deliver for the team. How much more money are they willing to lose on injury prone players? And this is nothing personal. It's not to go to Mchita in, but they need to they need to part ways no Paseka Mako. He shouldn't even be there at the start of the season. Bekumele makalimala lapha ku preseason when he flew back bavele bathi tanki bafo. Like go deal nama injury wako and your career will continue elsewhere. There's a pool of clubs ku PSL. If you are playing for a big team, you have to be healthy. Yes, rather bathi sikubonile like usihlendule sikubonile uba injured egaming labo usilwelo stabalazela sithi ulimele, but when you injured singakubonanga nokubona. And also Why are these coaches taking i-preseason serious ngathi manje badlalela ngathi sekulelwe i-MTN 8 or sekulelwe i-Betway Premiership or i-Nedbank Cup? Allow the players ukuthi ba-release i-fear, bakhululeke, badedele, badlale. Let them make mistakes so that you know which combinations work for you and which combinations don't work for you. Fernando de Cruz is in trouble. De Cruz usejiving because bafethu lengoma siyicula season in season out. Management the Chiefs is not willing to go sign players, and teams in the Betway Premiership, I don't blame the management because ama team aku PSL angithi abafuna basengithengisela ama player na babola ngelihle phili bebabafuna. It's difficult ukuthi Chiefs imtholo. So Fernando de Cruz uzodila nalokho nakho. Uyodila nalokho nakho. It's even worse that udinga translator maka coach. Angazi bozwana kanjani na nama player. Kaizer Chiefs the same mistake. Unabi bekadinga translator. He was struggling because bekanga understandani nama player. Amanye ama player wasazi kwa isilungu. It's bad enough that there are players abangazi kwa isilungu. We still go and hunt for a coach esaziyo ukuthi lona isilungu siyamtrapa makafika lana naye mele ukuthi nimtranslate and then bese uyastruggle futhi. Fernando de Cruz is in trouble, I'm telling you. Yena he's a good coach. I've seen positive signs zebholon lakhe. Ngicela ningizwe kahle. Uyalazi idisk umjida uyakwazi ucoach. Ama language barrier izomlimaza. And this thing of having to coach injured players izomlimaza. Umfundo Vilakazi is strong enough to play in the 5 competitions they Chiefs without being injured. Is strong enough. Velebai is strong enough to play in the 5 competitions they Chiefs without being injured. Ethan Chislet is strong enough because asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. There has to be something that's happening. And bafethu someone melabuze lapha yana ukuthi hayi man bafethu kanti Chiefs why ama player wahlala lemali. So I think Fernando de Cruz is in trouble, and to Kaizer Chiefs fans, just be patient. For me, advising my supporter Chiefs, just be patient. Don't be too hard on the coach. He is gonna win certain games. He is gonna lose certain games. But if he has to work with what he has, then he could be under pressure. There's no playmaker with Chiefs. Chiefs are in a playmaker. You can't tell me Mduduzi Shabalala is your main playmaker. How long has he been promising? Ever since Bam promoter from ETDC to the first team, he's been promising Shabalala. Now they can't be patient now. You continue to be patient. Nomchitonga kupama results ulogyazamu yatabalaza. Itimi yadliwa abantu support amela yotoitoya yokhala le naturena. Go and sign a playmaker for Fernando de Cruz. Msayinele umuntu ozomenzela izinto zenzeke. Fight Orlando Pirates for Emil Witboy if you have to. If you can't beat them, join them. Hamba, I said it last time. Brazil has a pool of players lapana ku Fluminense. Abafana abancane, Chiefs can sign players lapana who are creative, abazokwazi ukuthi badlale nomfundo, abazokwazi ukuthi badlale nayo Asanele Velebai. Umfundo Vilakazi and Asanele Velebai are definitely going to be the most important players for Kaizer Chiefs this season. Yiba abantu abazotabalaza, yiba abazoyenza ama plan. Let's just hope ukuthi they remain healthy and not get injured. It's not a personal attack to Kaizer Chiefs, bafethu. Now you have other players in other positions. Laos Buzisa kona ukuthi okay cool sharp sisayino Adolf. Yini Adolf azoyenza uSamkelo Zwana ngakwazi kuyenza. Yini Adolf azoyenza uLebuhang Mabuya angakwazi kuyenza. Yini Adolf azoyenza uNdlovu angakwazi ukuthi ayenza. uAdolf bafethu plays it safe. He plays it safe, and it's difficult to judge a player based on one game, but it's easy to judge a player oza ku position egcwele stacked. If you are signing this guy, then release umthetho. Release umthetho, because in that position yaka Adolf there's umthetho, there's uMaboye, there's ubani nomfana ngicede kumbala uSamkelo Zwane noNdlovu. They are all competing for their position layer. We've already seen ukuthi combination yaka Mabuye noNdlovu yasebenza. They've played together from Maritzburg United. Badlalile labantu laba boyithu bakhe badlala bonke bayazana baya understandana. That combination already works. If it's not broken, why are you fixing it? There's uOxumthetho futhi in that position. When you go and spend money and take a player yase Tanzania sesiyasayina ngoba sizwe bathi he's not from here, and we are hoping ukuthi uzosipha ama results lapha. So the last time Kaizer Chiefs were actually compact, 100% compact to their position, bekusadlala uWillard Gatsandi. That's the last time their position adlala noYeyel Tsulunyane. Ilay Chiefs besazi khona ukuthi emidlilini ba strong, ba solid. They didn't need to constantly go sign players. Abo George Maluleka were there ukuthi abanye nabakhawathekile nanana, and futhi bebazama bebathanda ukumpushela phezulu. As the coach just said la studio, double pivot. Angazi ukuthi in double pivot. Alamagama ama analyst abawasebenzisayo sekuthiwa double pivot. But football is simple, but Tina, we tend to complicate it. Ibe is simple. Kaizer Chiefs, please go on the market new signer a playmaker. What Kaizer Chiefs needs is a playmaker and a striker. Abasa Dingy, another central midfielder. They don't need another central defender. They don't need and they also go sign a left back because of Bradley Cross. If Ulimele, we hope he's going to recover ngesikhathi, but he still needs someone ozomsiza. 5 competitions. And in those 5 competitions, the most difficult is going to be the CAF Confederations Cup. Iyo izoba difficult. Now, someone asked me, Guti, what do I think the biggest issue or problem with Kaizer Chiefs is? I want to use Orlando Pirates as an example. The Pirates in a structure. Sundowns has a structure. Pirates, kuze ba win i-league, into beba loke by builder. Kuze bafike laba khona, it's something they've been building. Ama player wabo nama combination, ama player wabo ayazana, ama player wabo ajwayelene, bahamba ngayo lento lena. They even introduced a style of play. Beka namhlanje sikwazi nokukhuluma ukuthi uTito is too slow for ibhola laka Oward, because you know how Orlando Pirates plays. Unokuba worried nabasign uSiyanda Ndlovu ku Mamelodi Sundowns because you like uzolunga kule bhola leli ka Miguel Cardoso eliphi ibhola le Chiefs. Which football is Kaizer Chiefs playing? Does Kaizer Chiefs depend on a playmaker? Asaz. Kaizer Chiefs nabadla, which football do they play? Nini Mfundo Vilakazi uyangena is playing on the right, Nini on the left, Nini he's playing la Elokunjaneni as a number 10. Asaz. Shabalala, sometimes he wing, sometimes udlala number 10, sometimes udlala le. We need a structure at Kaizer Chiefs. A structure. They must have a way of play which is idlala so. And it's bad enough that they might lose Ulilepo, at least umuntu beka tabalaza. So Kaizer Chiefs is enkingeni, Kaizer Chiefs. In closing, Sibonile Orlando Pirates ba announcile istriker esisha Sebastian Patterson. Asazi bafisa sekunzima manje. Sebastian Patterson. So uza ama commentator wethu siyazi ababamthetha abamuphi nicknames sasuka. Uza bathi saba or something. The Viking. Bazomuphi nicknames sasuka. Now it's really difficult to say ukuthi lo mchita lona uzofika ayenzini. No, what will he offer for Orlando Pirates? Mina like I said, mina ngibheka iPSL. Mina nabo Dembele nabo banibani ngibabheka makudlala ama final ama UEFA nana mina ngibheka iPSL. So la machita adlala overseas angazi adlala kanjani. However, there's this thing that I've seen of a lot of players basuka overseas, even South African born players. Mabasuka overseas beza ku PSL sonke siyajabula sithi lo uzochange izinto makafika iPSL enze the opposite. It's because also indlela yokudlala ya ku PSL ihlukile. Indlela yokudlala ku PSL ihlukile. I said it. Ama defender wethu thina la ku PSL ama defender adlala kakhulu nge high press and they believe in man to man marking. Whereas le overseas angithi bathi tactical variation ba mark ama space nani. So the question, I think there's not even a question. I just think asimele lomchita lona asetile down angena. But congratulations to Orlando Pirates and well done to them for going all the way and signing lama player lawa abawa signil, right? And signing all the players that they signed. So congratulations to Orlando Pirates, because ngiyakumbula bes complainer sithi kanti Orlando Pirates bona wayebanga sign a lethal striker, they had to go outside and hunt. That's why in Mamelodi Sundowns when it comes to a striker, they always go outside and hunt. And whenever badlalisa ama striker wala South Africa wethu ama striker bakora 4 goals in a season bese bayadlalela bafana. So ayikho into besizoyenza. So it is simbone lo mchita lona ukuthi uzodlala kanjani. However, I still think Pirates now they just need to add one more signing nyana lapha kule position aka number 10 umuntu ozocompete no Tito, ozocompete no Kabelo Dlamini. That's if Kabelo Dlamini will continue to play lapha yana ku Orlando Pirates next season. Sizobona khona bafethu. So nkululeko kwa my brother kunjani? Ngizikhave zonke ne. Yeah, I think Orlando Pirates does need to sign another goalkeeper, also compete no Sipho Chain. Sipho Chain agana competition engaka, which is why sometimes he can make mistakes and get away with them because agana competition. It's like what we said also na Bafana. If we had a coach that believed equally goma goalkeeper wake, Ronwen Williams bengeka hlala dlala week in week out na no mana ma mistake because uyazi ukuthi phela makushubile sibanibani uyangena. So Sipho Chain, congratulations for winning the goalkeeper of the season, but he does need a competition lapha. Melatoli competition. I just bona ukuthi uDladla uzoyenza kanjani. I haven't really seen much of uDladla, but I really do hope ukuthi umchita na uDladla bazomupha a fair chance ukuthi showcase talent yakhe azibonakalise ukuthi udume ngani Bafethu, thank you all for joining me. Whoever's watching on YouTube, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Utshela abantu ukuthi la kule platform le eku YouTube. Sikhuluma ibhola the way ilimele likhulunywe ngakhona. We want the best for our football. We are trying to fix South African football. We are not against anyone asizonde muntu. That's why we are calling out the PSL ukuthi do better next time ngalama awards. That's why we are calling out Chiefs to say dilani ngama injury. There's a problem lapha, and I don't think ukuthi sayibona. Kaizer Chiefs must part ways with certain players because they've been too patient nalawo ma player lawo. When you are a player, you must live up to the occasion. If you don't, go try be your luck elsewhere. Now undaba yathethwa Dlondlo. He wasn't a favorite for Owadu. He's shining Kumaromo Kellens. Yeah, but thank you all for joining me. Buffet to remember, Ikamam to Sbego. Thank you, Cerealist breakfast. It's ready for you to eat, Abashu.